What's up, players? How y'all doing? Okay, I'm here with my winter chill wig from HerGivenHair. I did a video on this wig. I will link it above so you can check it out. But HerGivenHair kind of noticed that I never show you guys my wigs like later on in the future. I never show you any updates if they're still, you know, pristine and beautiful, or are they shedding like a German Shepherd? No one knows. So they hit me up to do another video to show you the, you know, I guess the updates of my wig, and that's what I'm going to show you here. However, I'm actually going to take these pins out because I was pinning it to my little head, and I'm just going to rip it off and go wash it real quick. Yeah, and I think, what did I wash it with? Sorry, this is a voiceover, so a lot of times I forget everything after I do. What is Bear doing? What are you doing? Being weird. Well, come on, what did I wash it with again? Urban Hydration. There we go. I washed it with all Urban Hydration products, and this is what she looks like. Okay? Come on, Chaz, get it together. We're supposed to be in sync here. Look, Urban Hydration got her looking real hydrated. Okay? Yes. But needless to say, this is a HerGivenHair wig, and thank you so much, HerGivenHair, for sponsoring this video. And let's get into her. I am going to be doing a braid out that actually turned into like a, this is a pretty interesting hairstyle, because honestly, you guys never see me use flexi rods. So I'm actually going to be using flexi rods on the ends of this hair. So you could do this style on this wig, and you can also do this style on your own hair, because this wig mimics our hair. Now, I didn't want to get type 4 because obviously I have type 4 hair. So I think I got like type 3 or type 4A. Okay, so at the end of the day, you can still brush out all the kinks and curls, and once it dries, it will like turn into type 4 hair. But here I'm just splitting it down the middle so I can get to braiding. Okay, now I really suggest, if you were a wig wearer, get one of these heads. Okay, the head is the size of my head, and so it works out perfectly, because at HerGivenHair you can also get your exact measurements for your wig instead of just like ordering a wig and hoping that it comes the right size, because I have a massive head. So the fact that I can hit them up and be like, hey, I need these particular sizes for my cranium, and they can do that with any wig, I mean, that's that's what I'm talking about. That's inclusive right there. But I'm actually going to be braiding this up quite simply. Like, honestly, I braided this just the same way that I braid my hair. Now, I ended up putting a lot more braids in than I normally would my own hair. But that's because this kind of, as you see, has a wavy pattern to it. So I kind of, overestimated how many braids were going to be needed, you see? Because I didn't want to do them too big. And then since the hair is kind of wavy and thin, you know, make the braid out look weird. That was a horrible description, but you know what I'm talking about if you have type 4 hair and you are looking to get this wig. But the only like cream or product that I used was Camille Rose's Lavender Whipped Cream Leave-In. That's literally all I used on this hair, because to be honest with you, since it is a wig, you don't really have to use your personal products in order to like make any style look good. Because honestly, I don't want to say the hair is like already moisturized, because I really don't know how that part works. But I will say that I have never had to go in with a lot of product like I have to do my own hair. So I just picked a little leave-in. I mean, I don't even use leave-in on my own hair, but the leave-in took really well to this hair. So that's always a benefit. I don't like, low-key anything works with a wig, to be truthful. I don't think that much when I'm going into what products I should be using. But I'm just gonna braid this up and I'm gonna let y'all see. It's really nothing to it. All right. Now, this is pretty much the head all braided up, okay? Like I said, a lot more braids than I thought it was. Now, was there shedding with this wig? A little bit. Now, I'm not sure if that's because, of course, I cut the lace. I don't know. But to be honest with you, at this point in my life, all of my wigs shed. And it's not that big of a deal because there's so much hair on them. My own head sheds. So I'm never, feeling some kind of way. What am I doing here? Oh, no, okay. I'm showing you guys, just in case you cared about the pattern of how I braided this hair, I'm showing you guys the pattern, okay? Because I know I only did like 2 braids and I didn't do the whole thing because it took me a really long time. So yeah, that was the pattern. And here I'm just going to be using a blow dryer, the Rev Air one, to hurry up and quickly dry the hair. Because my plan was to wear this hair like right then and there. But I actually wet it up a lot just so I could get through with the hairstyle. So I thought I'd take the Rev Air, see what that guy does, and it really kind of made the ends kind of straightish. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it really works very, very well. It made the ends low-key blow dry straight. So I'm gonna show you here. Bam! You see how the ends aren't curly like I had them? Yeah, sorry, excuse me, burped a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna take these Flexi rods, and this was after I kind of decided to do the Flexi rods. It took me a minute to figure out what to do with them straight ends. So I grabbed some Flexi rods, and here they kind of sat for 2 days, I believe. Yeah, they sat for 2 days, and look at the curlage. Ugh, so pretty. I'm gonna show you once I get around to the other side. Yeah, this really is my winter chill wig. I'm so chill with this wig, it's ridiculous. Bam! Look at that sexy curl. Now, I was going to take this down all on camera for you, but that was going to take 4 hours. It took me so long to get these braids out. But I'll show you this one, and then I'm going to show you the overall product, okay? Go ahead. Booyah! Yeah, that's pretty much the results I was getting all around the hair. I mean, we all know I don't really do perfect braid outs. Look, I got a braid out in my hair. The irony. Sorry, I thought I had something on my teeth. But I am really low-key with this wig because it looks exactly like my hair. So I'm extremely low-key with it. I might put a scarf on top, a hat, whatever, and just keep my hair braided up and let her grow and flourish underneath this wig. I kind of look like Cat Williams, don't I? But yeah, I think this braid out is super, super cute. And since it's a full lace wig, look at how easy that side blends in. Now we all know I'm extremely lazy. So there are times where I'll put this wig on, and because it's fitted to the T measurement on my head, sometimes I don't go through the motions of laying down my lace and all that stuff. I know it sounds savage, but this wig is constructed so nicely and it's made to fit your head that all I need to do is take a few pins to the hairline and voila. Especially when I wear this hairstyle in particular, where I do a middle part and the hair kind of drapes over the ends. Yeah, I'll go ahead and take some pins and pin it down. But look at how just pretty it is. You guys know I love a messy braid out. Oh my gosh. Looking like a goddess. Oh my god. Does anybody else have this wig? If you have this wig, comment down below. Show me if you do this style. I want to see your messiest braid out. Because to be low-key with you, this is so cute. But yeah, the reason the scene switched is because I went in with some pins real messily to lay down the front, just to show you that it is possible when I'm in the bathroom and I can see myself clearly, because because my camera is like mad far away from me, and I'm not no rich YouTuber. I don't have no external monitor next to me doing the most or whatever. What you see is what you get, okay? So I don't know what this really looks like until I get in the bathroom or play back the footage. But you can use your got-to-be glue, and to be honest, like I said, the wigs are made so nicely for them to be full lace that you can really just dab a little bit of the got-to-be glue, use a blow dryer for like maybe 10 minutes, and you're completely laid down, okay? We know I'm lazy, so most likely I'm not going to do that. I'm either going to wrap the top up with a head wrap or leave it like that and just go back into the bathroom and pin that little right side a little bit more. But dang, I'm telling you, 3 months, haven't had an issue with this wig at all. But this is really why you guys haven't seen me post a lot of videos, because I've been wearing my winter chill wig, okay? So there really isn't no need for me to get on camera. But I have a few videos coming out for you guys, so definitely stay tuned. If you're interested in this wig, definitely check out HerGivenHair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Peace out.